Hi, guys, welcome to my FilmiFlame channel. Today I am briefing you about the anchoring script for the morning school assembly sample. Good morning, respected principal sir and teachers, dear students, and everyone present here. Welcome to today's morning assembly. This is a time for us to unite as a community and start our day with positivity and purpose. Let's begin with a moment of calm. Please close your eyes, take a deep breath, and let's center ourselves with a short prayer. Prayer starts. After, let's reflect on today's thought: the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. This reminds us that every big achievement starts with a dream and the courage to pursue it. So, let's dream big and work hard to make those dreams a reality. Next, here's a quick update on what's happening around the world. Here, share a brief news highlight. Staying informed helps us connect with the world and understand our role in shaping it. Now, let's fill our hearts with pride as we stand together for the national anthem. Lead the national anthem. And after completion. And after this, finally, a few words of encouragement from our principal/teacher. I invite them to speak briefly. Principal speech, after. Thank you, sir. Next. As we conclude, let's carry the energy and inspiration from this assembly into our day. Remember, every morning is a new opportunity to learn, grow, and make a difference. Thank you, and have a wonderful day ahead. And now it's time to disperse systematically. For more information, visit my website filmiflame.com and stay tuned and subscribe. Yes, okay. Thank you, guys.